Double-click the installer to start the installation process. The installer asks you to confirm that you first want to remove any older versions of Alpha 3D if it is already installed. View and agree to the licensing agreement. And select whether you want to add a shortcut to the desktop. To open Alpha 3D, double-click the shortcut on the desktop. The system settings are available via the menu button on the toolbar. Use the system settings to set the location and conditions of your saved files, select the language for the interface, and see whether you have the latest version of Alpha 3D. The printing setup configures Alpha 3D for your specific workflow. The settings for the printing setup are on the Setup panel when you open Alpha 3D. You must select your printer model and the 3D printing material that you are using. The size of the workspace is directly related to the printer, and each material has its own parameters. The height of each layer is controlled by the build platform movement on the Z-axis. Adjust the layer thickness for a faster print or higher resolution. Please note that the layer thickness does not affect accuracy.